Next thing we're going to add is the remainder of our wet ingredients, which would be the egg and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So let's add that egg in there and try not to get any shell in. Remember, if you do break it funny, you can always scoop that shell out if there's any in there, which fortunately mine didn't get any in. And then let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. When you're adding eggs, the standard size for baking is a large egg. It doesn't become a problem if it's just 1 or 2 eggs, but if you're doing something like a meringue where you've got a bunch of eggs, then you're going to want to make sure you have the right size. We're just adding this in. Let's get the spatula out of there. And then we're going to mix. Anytime you're adding a liquid ingredient, to avoid splattering, you want to start it at a slower pace before bringing it up to higher. And then you're also going to want to scrape down the bowl at least once. Make sure that you're getting everything incorporated.